Hello students, now in this session of video we are going to discuss class 12 maths and chapter 1 relation and function, and today's our topic is function. Type of function we have discussed in my previous video. Today we are going to discuss into function. A function which is not onto is called into function, means all the functions which are not categorized the characteristics of onto is called into function. Clear? And we have discussed onto function in my previous video. Today we are going to discuss with one example onto function. So check whether this function f is natural number to natural number. We know that this is domain and this is codomain. Given by fx is equal to 2x, where n is a set of natural number. So what we have to check? The function is onto. Clear? For that, we have select any element with n. We have to select the any element in codomain. Clear? Our second step to prove that, we have to put y is equal to the given function. Why? We know that y is equal to fx. And now what is fx in this case? 2x. Clear? So y is equal to, we get what? 2x. Clear? As I told you, we have to convert this y in form of x. So we can write it as x is equal to y upon 2. Now we get the x in terms of y upon 2. Now what is x? X is any element is belongs to n. And what? Domain. Clear? Now check. Put the value of this y. Let y is equal to, y is belongs to the element of this codomain, and codomain is set of natural number. So we can select y is equal to 2. So if y is equal to 2, so x is get, then x is equal to what? We get 1. Clear? So check, x is belongs to this natural number. Yes, because x is equal to 1 and 1 is a natural number. So in this case it is true. Means we are taking one example to check that every element of set B have a pre-image in 1. So what we have select? We have selected, the restriction is that we have to select only the natural number. So we have select one natural number 2. Then we get x is equal to 1, another natural number. Clear? Okay, check for another. Let I select 1. Y is equal to 1. So what happened? X is equal to, we get 1 upon 2. Now check, is either x is belongs to natural number. In this case x is belongs to natural number. Yes. But check, 1 upon 2 is belongs to natural number. No. Why? Because it is a set of natural number and 1 upon 2 is not a natural number. So it is not. So what happened? There is a problem that if we put y is equal to 1, so there is no pre-image of 1 in their domain. Clear? So I clear your concept by taking this two set like that, 1 and 2. It is a set of natural number. It is a set of natural number. They are fx is equal to what? 2x. Clear? So what we get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. Similarly what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. Clear? What? We are taking y is equal to 1. So y is an element of this set 1. So for 1 there is no pre-image. So 1 is left there. Clear? So if any element left vacant in codomain which has no pre-image in domain, so the function is not onto. Clear? Suppose I select 5. So put the value 5 upon 2, 2.5. If I get 2.5 in this one, no, because it is a set of natural numbers. So we will not get any pre-image of 5 also. If I select 3, 3 upon 2, 1.5. If any element related to 3, this 3, no. So there is lots of element vacant which does not have any pre-image. Clear? So in this case, F is not onto. Clear? Okay. Now I can change this question as a onto. How? If I change the domain. So domain now converted into real number. If I select this real number, so codomain is changed. Now what? We have lots of real numbers are there. 1, -1, -2, 1.5, 0, 1.5, 2, 2.5 and so on. Clear? So what? Now in this case, if you put 1, so you get 0.5. So obviously we know that it is a real number set, so 0.5 must exist there. So what happened? We are getting a pre-image of every number, every natural number. We will get the pre-image of every element of set B in set A. Clear? In this case, the function is onto. But our question is this: natural number to natural number. That's why at the starting I told you that when you are start with question, you must have to think about that. Remember that the function is given. Look at that, the domain and codomain. Clear? So this is the end of our with example. I will take more example. Some more example when we start exercising the onto function. Clear? Now today we will discuss one more function, that is 1, 1 onto. Clear? So clearly by this name of this, a function f is said to be 1, 1 onto. A function is said to be 1, 1 onto if and only if it has every element of set A has different or unique image in set B. That is definition of 1, 1. Also, every element of set B has pre-image in set A. Means every for 1, 1 onto, every element of set A has unique image in set B, and every element of set B has a pre-image. Means it is fulfill the condition and 1, 1 and onto. So this function is called bijective function, also 1, 1 onto function. Clear? So we will take example. Let example check f is belongs to real number to real number, and we have given fx is equal to 1 upon x. Given fx is equal to 1 upon x. Clear? What? Now we have to check for this function either this function is 1 1 or onto 1 1 onto both. Clear? Okay. Now we will solve this question for both of them. First for 1 1. Clear? So for 1 1 we have already know that we have to select two elements x left. x1 comma x2 belongs to, these two elements belongs to first set. So first set is R, and for your clarification I will write domain because both are R, so I will write domain. Clear? And fx1 fx2 are two elements, are selecting again are codomain. Clear? So what? Let fx1 is equal to fx2. So put the value of x1, what we have given a function 1 upon x1 is equal to 1 upon x2. So what we get? Cross multiplication, x1 is equal to x2. At the starting, what we have selected? The element, the function is many one. As we are already discussed that two elements I have selected, x1, x2, and two elements also there. For your clarification, I have suppose that these two are not different elements, these are a unique elements. Means this function is many one function. But by the simplification, if I get x1 is equal to x2, it means the x1 and x2 are not two different elements. They are a single element. So we get that every element in set A has a unique image in set B. Clear? So what we are taking? We'll take two different elements in set B. So this set B is a real number set, and that set A is also a real number set. So what we have supposed? Two elements, fx1 is equal to fx2, two elements. Clear? Now we have fx is equal to 1 upon x, we'll put 1 upon x1 is equal to 1 upon x2. So it can be cross multiplied, so x1 is equal to x2. So at the starting we are selecting that fx1 is equal to fx2, and finally we get x1 is equal to x2. It means these two elements are not different, they are unique element. x1 is equal to x2. So what? Finally we get f is 1. Clear? So we have to prove 1 1 on 2. So we have completed for 1 1. Now for second on 2.